Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of text effects in CapCut. We've got 3 incredible effects to cover: typewriter text, glitch text, and gradient text. Open CapCut and go to the stock mat. Drag the black video into the timeline. Now go to Text Effect, tap on the Text option, and type out your desired text. Adjust the font, size, and color to your liking. Tap on the Animation tab and select the Typewriter effect. Adjust the duration and timing to match your video's pacing. Preview your text to see the typewriter effect in action. Now time's to add voice. Go to Audio and search the type. Drag the audio into the timeline. Limit the audio to the duration of the text. And there you have it. Text now has that classic typewriter charm. Again, go to Stock Mat and drag the black video into the timeline. Add your text onto the timeline and customize the font and color as desired. Head over to the Animation tab and select the Glitch effect. Play around with the settings to adjust the intensity and frequency of the glitch. Preview your text to see the glitch effect in action. Then go to Audio and search the glitch. Drag the audio into the timeline. Now set the duration. Your text now has that trendy, glitchy look. Once again, go to Stock Mat and drag the black video into the timeline. Insert your text onto the timeline and adjust the font, size, and color to your liking. Under the Animation tab, select the Zoom In effect and set the duration. Select the video and text. Create a compound clip with the video and text. Then go to Google and search the pexels. Click on thepexels.com. Type the gradient. Videos. Choose the gradient video. Go back to CapCut. Import the gradient video. Place the video below the text and adjust as needed. Select the top video and click the blend button. Then select Multiply. And there you have it. Your text now boasts a beautiful gradient effect that's sure to captivate your audience. And that wraps up our tutorial on text effects in CapCut. We covered typewriter text, glitch text, and gradient text. Experiment with these effects to add flair and personality to your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!